Welcome, lovely people, to another episode of Cracking Irodov. And today we're gonna crack the fourth question of this advanced book, or say the most interesting book in physics every physics lover has actually seen. So here over here is a fourth question. I'm not drawing the graph as it's a very tedious job. So here we can see a graph. Let me read the question. Let me make it more visible. A point moves rectilinearly in a one direction. Figure 1.1 shows the distance s traveled by the point as a function of time t using the plot find first. The average velocity of the point during the time of motion. We can see from this graph that the time of motion from this 0 point to this. As here there is no motion. So let's take what's beneath it. What's the time interval beneath it? It is equal to 18. As you can generalize, all these blocks are equal to 2, 2, 2. So it's equal to 18. So the first parts of the question will be solved as follow. VAVG is equal to total distance upon time of motion. What you will say? The whole motion in which that distance is covered. And that distance is equal to, from this time interval to 18 seconds, is 2 meters. So here we will write distance is equal to 2 meters upon 18. And here we got answer 1 upon 9 meter per second, which is more simplified as 1 0.11 0.11 meter per second. And that's actually solved a problem up till here. Now let's go to the second part, the maximum velocity. Okay, interesting question. As we can observe from this graph, the most inclined slope in this graph is from here to here. I can draw points over here, from here to over here. Yeah, and this is the most inclined slope in the graph, and from here we can see 10 to 12, 13, 14. This is over here 16 seconds, and the distance is from 4 meter to over here 1.8 meter. So Vmax will be equal to from distance is 1.8 minus 0.4 upon the time in which the distance is covered, 10 to 16 minus 10, that's equal to 1.4 upon 6. Let's simplify it. 6 0.23 meter per second. That's our answer to the beat part of the question. Beat. Yeah. Let's get to the seat question. Seat in my language. The time moment t naught in which its instantaneous velocity is equal to the mean velocity averaged over the first t naught seconds. As we can see, we draw the average velocity slope from this to this point. We can see that this slope would coincide at this point. Let me draw it. So we can see our average velocity slope is coinciding at this point. This point over here is the t second, that's corresponding to 16 seconds. So our C answer is t naught is equal to, I think it has t naught seconds, right? Yeah, t naught second is equal to 16 seconds. And that cracks our fourth question. See the solutions over here more precisely, as you can see. This was the most easiest question in Irodov till I've solved it. So thank you guys for watching this episode of Cracking Irodov. Let's meet you towards the next question. Right? Yeah. Yes.